Easy ways to keep your bathroom smelling fresh. Dear friends, in the small, damp quarters of a bathroom, odors can quickly become an issue, especially if the bathroom is shared or frequented by more than one person. It's not a secret that bathrooms are ground zero for some of the dirtiest and most pungent odors in your home. So in addition to frequent cleanings, it's important to take proactive measures to keep odors away. Although keeping your bathroom smelling fresh and clean may seem like an arduous task, with these simple tips it doesn't have to be. Let the air flow. After a steamy shower, it's important to let fresh air circulate. Whether it's by turning on an overhead fan, opening a window, or leaving the bathroom door open, this will help freshen stale air and rid the room of humidity which, over time, could help mildew grow. If keeping the bathroom window open for a few hours each day is a possibility, it is greatly recommended. By doing so, your bathroom will begin to smell fresh due to all the natural air flowing in and out. Use essential oils. Instead of masking your bathroom smell with artificial scents and chemicals, consider taking a natural approach. Lavender oil is a good choice because of its calming properties, but citrus oils like lemon, tangerine, and wild orange are a great way to perk things up. Take a Q-tip and dip each end into your essential oil of choice. From there, fasten it into the inside of your toilet paper roll or hide it in a bathroom vanity drawer for a secretive way to create a fresh-smelling bathroom. Plants or flowers. Potted plants and flowers aren't just for looks, they're also natural air purifiers. While an automated air purifier can make air seem cleaner and fresher, plants can do a much better job of filtering air, and at a fraction of the cost. Not only do plants filter the impurities from the air, but they're pleasant to look at and provide us with a sense that we're one with nature. If your bathroom is on the small side, consider incorporating hanging plants into your shower. Freshen your fabrics. In the moist environment of the bathroom, it's easy for fabrics to pick up a musty smell. Launder towels and washcloths at least once a week, and don't forget to also wash the bath mat and shower curtain. After your shower, be sure to pull the shower curtain closed, which will allow air to circulate within the folds. You'll be less likely to see and smell patches of mildew forming on shower curtains. For towels with a musty odor that lingers, try running them through a washer cycle with a half cup of white vinegar, followed by another cycle with detergent. Potpourri. By using natural, dry ingredients found around the kitchen, you can create a fantastic and wonderful smelling potpourri in no time at all. Leftover lemon peels from last night's dinner, mint leaves, and cinnamon are popular potpourri ingredients. These spices, when combined with flowers and woods from your garden, are guaranteed to create a pleasant scent in your bathroom. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.